Welcome to Skydive Voss. I thought I would give everybody a little tour for those that are contemplating coming to one of the coolest drop zones in the world, if not the coolest. So there's a climbing wall. That's nice. We've got lots and lots of trampolines, and I would call this the most kid-friendly drop zone in the world, because check this out. In addition to the climbing wall, which of course the kids use, it's a weekday, so we don't have so many kids here, but check this out. It's got a playground. So for those of you who haven't seen this kind of possibility, more trampolines, hammocks. This is how we do it. The main landing area. And this is Manifest. Oh look, 2 more trampolines and a slack line. Pretty good, right? So we'll take a further tour. So here's Manifest, and this is the main reception where you sign in the attendance and stuff like that. Okay. And over here we've got Macumba's Pizza. He makes some of the best pizza you've ever had. Wood-fired oven. Hanging out is easy here at Voss because if it's a little bit hot, like today, food. Give you a little tour of. Woo! And this is lovely. Fire and that's a debriefing room, right? So they show movies here and the whole thing. The food is awesome. I mean, you've got the main snack bar here, which is great. And come check this out. So we've got lockers. Hey. And this is the main entrance where we come in. And down here, we've got shower house around the corner. And all of these are bunkhouse rooms, bathrooms on both sides, showers. We have laundry, all this stuff. Cute little key card thing for the for the rooms. You got to book ahead for sure. It's as much as you can. Hey, how's it going? So check out the rest of this here. So when we come out, we've got main packing. It's a rigging lock, other rigging lock as well. People hanging out reading cool books.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm giving a tour. And of course, where the most entertaining stuff happens, right here at the packing mat. Some of the most entertaining conversations on the drop zone at all times. The packers here are freaking hilarious. The view is not so bad. And then when you're ready to board, you walk past the fire circle, which is great fun, and out here into the loading area. So what do you think? You gonna come? Skydive Voss? You'll be glad you did.